Hi, it's Amy. This video will show you how to properly export your video from a Premiere project file to an MP4. So first thing is select your timeline. It has all your things put together. Then you're going to go File, Export, Media, or Control M. There's shortcuts. You need to make sure that you change this to entire sequence. If you can't see this down here, you need to shrink your box on your computer, on your student computer, so it shrinks it all the way in so you can see it. If that doesn't work, move this up and see if you can shrink that. If that doesn't work, contact me and there's other things I can do to help you. Then you want to check to make sure the format is H.264, and then match source high bitrate is perfectly fine. There's lots of other presets. There's Twitter, YouTube, like there's a 1080 full HD, but for this one it works perfectly fine, and it's usable for loads of formats. Then we want to change the format. So the file name is going to be whatever you want to call your video. This video I'm exporting just happens to be a demonstration video I'm doing. I'm going to put it on my desktop. And this is what I want to call it, and it's going to be an MP4. You don't have to change anything about this. It usually should say save as file type. It should say video files MP4. So then you click save. It's going to save it to your desktop so you can easily find it, or whatever file you want to put it in. Make sure that export video and export audio is selected, and let's use maximum render quality. Then you are ready to export. And so this is going to encode, and it's going to give you a time estimate. Mine's short because I picked a short video. Yours will take time. I know some students have spent 2 or 3 hours exporting their video, so please don't wait till the last minute to turn this in. Plug in your computer, make sure you're, powered up, and then go ahead and export your video. Once you export, it's going to just come right back to your Premiere, and you'll see that in a few seconds. Actually, it's encoding, and then it's going to export. Okay, so, we got a new thing here. Your video is exported successfully. It showed me where it was. That's fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that desktop file, and I'm going to make sure it's there. And there it is. It's right there. Watch the video, make sure it's okay, and then you're ready to turn it in. If you have any issues with exporting, it's probably because, 1, you forgot to select the timeline. You need the blue box around it. 2, you may have forgotten to choose entire sequence. That's usually what happens. If you also have issues and it gives you error messages, we will have to meet, and I will have to show you how to either uncheck the box for maximum render quality, so it's not as high quality but it's good enough, or there are some settings that we can change in your computer to make it work for you so you can turn in your video. Please make sure you keep a copy of this on your laptop, and maybe put a copy in OneDrive just in case. Okay, can't wait to see your video.